With k that is given to me as a positive value, we want to sketch the graph of gx. This, like what we have discussed in part 1, this is a graph of a rational function, and it is the second type of graph of a rational function that we have discussed in our outline. For this kind, there's going to be a horizontal asymptote, and we can very easily deduce the horizontal asymptote, by taking the coefficient of the highest power of x divided by the coefficient of the highest power of x, because this is the kind of improper rational expression where the degree of the numerator is the same as the degree of the denominator. So the horizontal asymptote is going to be 1 divided by 1, which is 1. So this graph is going to have a horizontal asymptote at y is equal to 1. And it has a vertical asymptote. In fact, it is already spelled out in the domain. That vertical asymptote is x is equal to 1. So it is somewhere here. This is when x is equal to 1. Since k is a positive value, I'm going to just let k be, let's say, 2. I'll plot it into my graphing calculator to see the rough shape that I'm going to get. If you were to let k be equal to some positive value, the shape that you're going to get is going to be something that is like this. It is for the top portion, and the bottom portion here is going to look something like this. And we are supposed to quote the coordinates of the points where the curve cuts the x and y axis. So this point and this point. When x is equal to 0, gx is going to be k divided by minus 1. So gx is going to be equal to negative k. That is why this point, the coordinates will be 0 and minus k. And if I were to let gx be equal to 0, you will find x to be equal to also minus k. So this point is going to be minus k and 0.